I'm Alex Penfold, the founder of Jaxon Lane, and today I'm talking about our anti-aging routine. As you head into your 30s and 40s, I'm sure you're noticing fine lines and wrinkles developing. So after washing your face, I recommend the first step being our Glow Up Pad. This is a toning pad that helps exfoliating dead skin cells, AHA and PHA toning pad. We then move on to the serum, which helps with hyperpigmentation and fine lines and really just brightens the skin. Next is the eye cream. I'm sure the first thing you start noticing as you age are your crow's feet. So this helps with those fine lines and also depuffing in the morning if you're just waking up. Next, you must use the Relax and Repair Moisturizer. This is basically, not many people know this about moisturizer, but it actually traps in all of the benefits of the serum and the eye cream. So it hydrates and moisturizes and gives you a healthy glow, but also maximizes the benefits of the earlier steps in the serum. And then finally, in the morning time, don't leave the house without rain or shine sunscreen. This is an SPF 50, but again, it's very light and doesn't leave a white cast, so you barely notice that it's on. And this will help with long-term aging, with fine lines being prevented, and also preventing you from potentially getting skin cancer as you get older. So this is our anti-aging routine, and an essential for every person as they head into their 30s and 40s.